3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, back charge. 5, 6, 7. We're to the left. We're going to bring her right on. 1, we're going to start going for the shoulder. Left hand is going to go over the head. On 2, hold on to the shoulder. 3, now we're going to go towards the under her arm. Now we're going to bring the hand behind her head. 5, making sure I'm twisting my body towards her. Going 6, stepping back. Now on 7, I'm going to start slightly pulling with the right. 7 to turn. So now the hand's going to go over my head, over her head to wrap her up. 1, turn her. 2, now we're going to bring her 3 forward. 3. So now let go of the left hand. We're going to pull with the right hand, step forward. 5, going towards the outside of the wrist. Guys, flick it up, do a right turn. 6, 7. So now 1, when I look at her, I'm going to catch the hand. 1, I'm going to hook up 2, 2, reverse right, 3, follow her, 5, catch with the left, push pull, 6, 7. So I'm off the slot to the left again. So now on 1, I'm going to start unwinding, turn to the left. 1, it goes over my head on 2. So now I'm going to push through the neck on 3. 3, I'm going to let it go, catch with the right hand as I follow her, 5, step back, 6, 7. So now we have our right hand connected. I'm going to bring her forward on 1. Now on 2, I'm going to rotate her into a prep. 2, and I step opposite. So now on 3, I want to bring her this way with the turn. So this left arm is going to pull as the right arm turns her. 3, guys to the left, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1.5 right forward on 1, turn 2, 3. Now 5, we're going to step in place. 5, take a side step on 6, start turning to the left on 7. Now we're going to keep turning to the left, marking down. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go forward. Then half turn to the right on 5, 6, 7. Do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1.5 left. So turn right away on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to take a step forward on 1. We're going to prep to the right on 2. We're going to turn right away to the left on 3. Keep turning on 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!